Good morning, students. We have completed chapter number 11, that is algebra. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, that is playing with number. What? Playing with number. So, in this chapter, we will see how numbers is useful to us and how we will guess what number will come and what will not come. So, moving on toward this chapter, first of all, we will discuss firstly about factors and multiples. What? Factors and multiples. What is factor and what is multiples? Factors. Suppose a number. I am taking 36. 36 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 36 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So, all these numbers are the factor of 36. Means what we can say that about factors? A number by which another number is exactly divisible. Here we have taken 36. It is divisible by another number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. And multiples. Now 36 multiply 1, 36. 36 multiply 2, 72. 36 multiply 3, 108. 36 multiply by 4, 144. 36 multiply 5, 180. So when we multiply a given number by 1, 2, 3 and what that number comes, that is the multiples of the given number. So you have seen here example the factor of 36, multiples of 36, and one thing remember that 1 is the universal factor of 1 is known as universal factor because each and every number is divisible by 1. So 1 is the universal factor and each and every number is divisible by 36, divisible by itself. So a number have at least two factors, but it is not possible for 1 because 1 has only one factor. 1 has only one factor and other remaining 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 they have at least two factors. What? Two factors. From here, suppose a number having only two factor. A number having only two factor, the number itself and another is 1, then that number is prime number. So, what is prime number? Prime numbers are, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, so on so. So here 2 has factor 1 and 2, 3 has factor 1 and 3, 5 has factor 1 and 5. So all these numbers that I have written here have factors 1 and itself. So when we can say that those number which are having factor as a one in itself, that number is called prime numbers, and 2 is the only even prime number. Other prime numbers are odd, but 2 is only one even prime number. So now coming to, we will see some factors.
नंदू नहीं देख रहे, हम तो छात पे बैठे हैं, लाइट नहीं आ रही ना। हाँ वो क्या हुआ कि वो ठंडा का मौसम हो रहा था, इसलिए हम चलो।
Now we will conclude some about factors and multiples. What are the some important statement regarding factors and multiples? First, one is a factor of every number.
हाँ कंप्लीट हो गया अपना।
We have already discussed. Yes or no? This statement we have already discussed. Now second is every number.
बढ़िया सर आप बताओ।
Every number is a factor. Every number is a
सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कब निकले? मेरे को पता है सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कब।
every number is a factor of itself.
बढ़ा दी होगी वो भी बढ़ जाएगी।
So every number is divisible by itself. This statement we have also discussed.
अच्छा।
Now every factor,
डी को भर दो ना तो फिर।
every factor
आठ तारीख बता।
of a number,
अच्छा।
every factor of a number is an
कब हो गया?
exact
हाँ। वो उसकी डेट नहीं है ये एग्जाम की, एग्जाम शुरू ही
divisor of
हाँ। ना ना ना।
that
नहीं ऑनलाइन होगा तो
Number.
लेके जाना पड़ेगा, घर पे तो करवा नहीं सकते।
suppose, let us see what are the factor of 16.
एक सप्ताह के लिए, एक सप्ताह बाद हो गया थे वो इसमें।
2 1 2 4 8 16, and what is the
पास में कर दिया जी सर।
कर दिया, मैं फोटो को भेज।
फोटो भेज दीजिए आपके पास रजिस्ट्रेशन।
now find the factor of 20 and 36.
सर आपका आदेश और काम नहीं हो।
क्या?
1 2 4 5 10 20 36 1 2 3 4 6
हाँ।
9 12 18 36. So every factor of a number is exact divisor of a that number. Now see,
हाँ।
when we divide 16 by 1, it is exactly divisible. When we will divide by 2, it is exactly divisible. When we will divide by 4, 16 is exactly divisible. When we will divide by 8, it is exactly divisible. When you will divide by 16, it is exactly divisible. In all the case, when you will divide by its factor, that number is exactly divisible.
अगली बार का पता क्या हो गया? 7.5 लाख होगी तो अगली बार वैसे बच जाएगा आपका।
Next,
मतलब अगली बार तो ये कर दिया सरकार ने कि 7.5 तक बचा सकते हो आप, तो वैसे बच जाएगा। ठीक है। ठीक है, इस बार वैसे बच रहा है। फायदा ये है, फायदा तो उसका कोई क्या दिक्कत है।
now every factor. Fourth is
एक में आपका 5 लाख तक बचेगा काट पीट करके, एक में आपका डायरेक्ट 7 लाख तक की इनकम बड़ा बचेगा।
every factor
काउंट नहीं होगी, आपकी 7 से ऊपर जाएगी।
is
हाँ बस तो 7 हो जाएगा तो पूछ सकता नहीं है।
every factor is less than or
लगाओ हमें छोटा
equal to the given number. We have seen just now factor of 16, that is 1 2 4 8 16. So what is the meaning of this statement is that the factor will be equal to or less than. So see, 1 is less than 16, 2 is less than 16, 4 is less than 16, 8 is less than 16, 16 is equals to 16. Now fifth, number of a factor of a given are finite. For a given number,
ये तो गलत हो गया सर, ये तो बहुत गलत करना।
number of
टीचर का सपोर्ट करना चाहिए ना कि बच जाए कैसे करके।
the number of factor of a
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है।
given number are
अपना फायदा उठा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं है, मेन बात।
finite. For a given number, the number of factor will be finite. For 16,
आप चाहो तो
there is only how many factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 will have only 5 factor, not more than that.
एनुअल इनकम आप मुझे चाहो तो जून जुलाई तक ले जा सकते हो।
Now, since every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Now, till now we have discussed about factor. Now we will discuss about every multiple. Every
ठीक है, करवाओ तो तरफ
every multiple of a number
वो भी ले सकते हो उसमें।
is
हाँ,
greater than
बस तो करके देखता है।
और
यहाँ बस खत्म है।
equal to number.
और जो साफ साफ लिख रखा है, कभी बचा जाए तो नीचे वाला कटेगी।
Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Suppose I am writing the multiple of 16. 16 multiple are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 108, so on and so. So 16 is equals to the 16, but 32, 48, 64, 80, 108 and remaining multiple of 16 are greater than the 16.
12 महीना की गुणों के थे और जो टोटल आवे ना वो वहां से माइनस 1.5 लाख और अगर वो 1.5 लाख माइनस करने का 5 लाख था टोटल 5 लाख से ऊपर है ना तो थारो टैक्स लाभ देखो और 5 लाख से नीचे दे तो ना नीचे है ना 35
The number of next statement,
बाद में बात करूंगा मैं तब जाऊंगा
the number of multiples, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. For a given number, the number of multiples are infinite. For 16, it will have infinite number of multiple. You multiply 16 by any number, that product will be the multiple of 16. So we cannot count the number of multiples. So in the case of multiples, the number is infinite, but in the case of factor, it is finite. Now every number is a multiple of itself. We have seen 16. When we multiply by 16 by 1, it will come 16. So 16 is a multiple of itself. When we multiplying any number by 1, it will give that same number. So every number is a multiple of itself. So we have seen up to here. Now we will see some question related to the multiples and factor. So you must write this, the statement what I have discussed here regarding multiples and factor. Now moving on to exercise 3.1. Before that we will see examples, what examples has been given. So write the factors of 68. We have to write factor of 68. So 68 is divisible by 1. So the factor of 68 is 1. Again 68 is divisible by 2. So 2 will be the factor of 68. Now again it is divisible by 4. So it will be 4. Now again it is divisible by, it is not divisible by 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, no, not 9, 10. It will be again divisible by 17. 68 equals to 68 multiplied by 1. 68 equals to 2 multiplied by 34. 68 equals to 4 multiplied by 17. Like in this manner we will see. So here 34, 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 68 has total 6 number as a factor. Now second question is the find the factor of 36. Whole factor of 36. 36 factor will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now example number 3 is write first 5 multiple of 6. This is example number 1. This is example number 2. Example number 3. Now we will see the multiples of 6. So 6 multiply 1 6. 6 multiply 2 12. 6 multiply 3 18. 6 multiply by 4 24. 6 multiply by 5 30. So the first 5 multiples, the first 5 multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. In question number 1, write all the factors of the following numbers. So you can write all the factors of the following number. Write the multiples of the following. First 5 multiples. So you have to write the multiples of 5, 8, 9. You can write very easily. Again, question number 3. In question number 3, you have to match column 1 to column 2. This is column 1, column 2. Number are 35, 15, 16, 20, 25. And what are the multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, factor of 30, factor of 50, factor of 20. Now match the items in column 1 with the item 2. Now 35. So what we can say that 35 is the multiple of 7. 15. What we can say that 15 is a factor of 30. What? 15 is a factor of 30. 16. 16 is a multiple of 8. What we can say that it is a multiple of 8. 20. 20 is a factor of 20. So 20 will be factor of 20. 25 is a factor of 50. What? 25 is the factor of 50. So today what we have discussed, today we have started new topic, that is playing with the number. In this chapter, first topic we have discussed factor and multiples, and we have seen some statement regarding the factors and multiples that you have to write in your notebook very clearly. Right, and you have to also mention examples below that what statement you have written, and we have seen some examples and regarding the multiples and factor. So for today this much. Thank you. Solve the remaining question of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.